within the next hour or two, that's going to be my Smith.
Electric? But why would they put no? Why would they? Oh, maybe that was a window and they just covered that up. So they've been working for a good 3 hours and made a lot of progress. I'll show you where we're at. This is that very back garage that was added on. So they've got that little pile left. I literally think that's a home before, isn't it? Yeah. So we'll just see what that's about. It's about water transfer.
You guys are not turn this fucking light on. If not, you're not going to be able to see chat. Yeah, I can barely see you through now.
What? You still have to hold it up like that. Oh, there's what we're left with. Yeah. What did I get?
Nasty moldy house.
You find any treasures that you can keep? Maybe that.
Nasty moldy house on TV.
Yeah. Can you show me that? We're not showing the house. Show that. So here's some of the glass stuff. Alright, so we obviously have a lot more to do, but today we were just working on that secret room that's back there. We didn't even really know what was in there. So we got those 2 rooms done, and then just stay tuned on this channel and also on Keeping It Dutch to see more of the progress. Thank you guys, and subscribe down below if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.
What?